Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Joy. You are most welcome to this channel. So today I will be sharing with you how to take care of your full skin, not just taking care of your face only, but to take care of your full skin. So I'm going to be sharing with you how to make your own skin whitening soap, which you will use daily basis. You will use it twice a day, like your normal mask soap which you're using. So I'm gonna be sharing with you how to make your own skin whitening soap with very simple DIY, so you can just do it yourself. So before we jump into it, please subscribe to this channel. Please share this video. Please turn on the notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first person to see. So let's jump into it. So guys, this is all I will be needing for my whitening soap. So I will be needing my honey, pure honey. I will be needing my sweet almond oil. Don't know if you can see it. Sweet almond oil. I will be needing my apple cider vinegar. I will be needing my lemon. I will be needing my aloe vera gel. I will be needing my crystalline soap. I will be needing my rice powder. You can blend your rice at home. You can take rice in your kitchen and blend it. So I will be needing my sandalwood essential oil. And also I will be needing my coconut oil and my Vaseline and my plate. I'll have to create my soap, my crystalline soap. So I have to create it first. Use any soap of your choice, but you look for a soap that has crystalline, which will help it melt easily. So I will be adding my honey. I will add a teaspoon of honey. So I add a teaspoon of honey. So I will be adding my sandalwood. Just add like 3 to 4 drops of sandalwood. 2, 3, 4. So I will be adding my apple cider vinegar. I'll be adding 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar. So I will be adding my aloe vera gel. This is my aloe vera gel. I will be adding half teaspoon of aloe vera gel. I will be adding my sweet almond oil. So I will add a spoon of sweet almond oil. So I will add my coconut oil. I'll be adding a spoon of coconut oil. A spoon of coconut oil. So I will add my rice powder. You can blend your rice in your kitchen. Whatever rice you're using, you can blend it together. So I will be adding 2 spoons of rice powder. So I will add my lemon, which I will cut my lemon. I will use this one because I used it before. So I will just add 2 teaspoons of lemon. You don't add with the seed, you remove the seed. So I'll mix everything together. So now I will be putting it inside my hot water, which I have boiled already. So I'm gonna show you. So I will be adding, as you can see, I have boiled my hot water. So I will add the mix together. So I will let it to dissolve to make it melt. It's not going to take time if you use crystalline soap, but when you use any other soap, it's going to take time before it will dissolve. But with this crystalline soap, it's easy to dissolve it. As you can see, it doesn't even take up to a millisecond. So you make it to dissolve very well. You keep stirring it until everything is dissolved. So as you can see, it's melting for everything. So the next thing I will be doing will be, I will have to cream my container. Then I just take a little cream, I put it inside, then I cream it. You rub it over so that when you put the soap, it will be easy to remove. So this is my soap into my container. I will put it inside the fridge. So when the soap is hard, it's blocked, so I can bring it out. So guys, this is my soap. So this is how it looks. So I'm gonna remove it from the pack now. So this is how it looks, as you can see. So this is how it looks. So as you can see, so this is good. So this, you can try this way. This soap is okay and it smells so good. So guys, that is the end of my soap. If you know this video was helpful to you, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to see it. So thank you for taking your time to watch this video. Thank you so much. God bless you. Love you.